Hello, this is Neil Moore. I am a chief architect for networking at HP, and I am also a five-time CCIE. Not that I've tried it 5 times, tried more than that, but I've got 5 CCIE disciplines. And since I started working at HP, what I've done is I'm trying to get used to and acclimated to the new Procurve and how they work compared to the Cisco line. So what I did was I grabbed a new Procurve switch, and in this one I took out my older 3560 and I wedged this Procurve in between. And then what I'm doing in this one is I'm just going to show you how trunking and CDP neighbor does and doesn't work on the Procurve models. What we've got here is we've got pretty standard 2960, and first thing we'll do is we'll do a show CDP neighbor here. The only thing you see is my switch upstairs in the attic, nothing else here, right? But if you come over here to the Procurve, you can see right here, this is Media Center. And what it's doing is that it actually shows up. So I am receiving CDP neighbor information. It's just that the HP Procurves are not transmitting it anymore. So back over here, what I'm going to do is on this one, I moved my my Comcast cable modem connection over to port 40 of the Media Center. So we'll do a show run here, and we'll look at it. Say have it come in. Have it come in on, I put it in VLAN 70. Do my usual here so I don't accidentally hook a switch up to it. It does shut support down. So, show VLAN. See right here, it's VLAN 70, Internet Residential. And what I did was, over here, now here's where it gets a little interesting. On this side, it's running on gig 1, so we can tell from the Procurve side that it's plugged into gig 1. So we'll come over here. Now, I don't have any anything except a normal trunk. It's using .1Q, which is that's all you can do on these this particular model of switch from Cisco, and that's pretty much the standard. It's not ISL trunking. Now we'll come over here. This is where it gets a little bit interesting on the Procurve side. Unlike on the Cisco side here, where by default all VLANs are allowed to transverse a trunk, it is different on the Procurve side. On this side, I am using VLAN 70. So I have an untagged interface right here. This is where I have my PC plugged into. This is the interesting one right here, is where it shows tagged. And what this is doing is this allows the traffic to come across the trunk itself. So as you see here, it doesn't use the like the 0/ nomenclature, it just uses support number because I only have one. So here I am on 43, and I have 43 and 44 coming across as tagged interfaces, which means they're part of a trunk. And once that's done, it comes out, and it allows 15 to talk to it, and outbound right here, going towards my rack, it's going towards my 2811 router. So I'm tagging also on this to allow that to get out to that connection as well. And that's the difference between how the VLANs and the trunking and tagging are worked between the Procurve and like a 2960. Hope it helps you out. Thanks. Bye.